ChatGPT. This is the most popular AI chatbot in the world. It was created by OpenAI, a company founded in 2015. OpenAI was founded by several entrepreneurs, including Elon Musk and OpenAI CEO Sam Altman. ChatGPT became famous for its ability to do many things, from writing texts to generating images and writing code. One of the main features of ChatGPT is its ability to hold a conversation like a real person, which is why it is used as an everyday assistant, essentially like an older brother who will help you with everything. Interesting fact, ChatGPT was trained on hundreds of billions of words from books, websites, and articles. It doesn't just search for answers on the internet, it generates them itself based on word probabilities. That's why it seems intelligent, even though it doesn't really understand the world. It's just a machine. Gemini is an AI chatbot from Google created by Google DeepMind. Google was founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, and its CEO is Sundar Pichai. Gemini is also famous for its excellent performance with search, documents, images, and code. But Gemini's main feature is its multimodality. It can understand not only text, but also images, videos, and even audio much better than ChatGPT. For example, you could show it a photo of a problem, and it will solve it. Interesting fact, Gemini was created as a competitor to ChatGPT and immediately became part of the Google ecosystem. This means that it is directly linked to real services, not just chat. When you search for something on Google, it is Gemini that responds. In essence, Gemini is an AI brain built into everything we use on Google. Cloude is a chatbot developed by Anthropic. The founders of Anthropic are Dario Amodei and Daniela Amodei, former employees of OpenAI who are also siblings. Cloude has become known as the most safe and ethical AI. It has been specifically trained to respond in a gentle, polite manner and to avoid dangerous topics. It is often used for corporate tasks, legal texts, and analytics. Claude's main feature is its enormous memory. It can analyze hundreds of pages of documents at a time. This makes him the perfect assistant for working with contracts, reports, and books. Fun fact, the name Cloude was given in honor of Claude Shannon, the father of information theory. The developers wanted to emphasize that this AI was created not just for conversation, but for deep logic and analysis. Grok is an AI developed by xAI, a company founded by Elon Musk. Musk himself is the owner of the company, and the chatbot is closely integrated into the social network X, formerly Twitter. Grok is known for its ability to search for information in real time from X in the news. It is used to follow trends, politics, cryptocurrencies, and world events. Grok's distinctive feature is its sarcastic and cheeky communication style. It can joke, respond provocatively, and behave less sterile than other AI. It also recently learned how to strip people naked, which led to a huge scandal. Interesting fact, the word grok means to understand deeply and comes from science fiction. Elon Musk wanted this AI to be as honest as possible. Copilot is a Microsoft product based on OpenAI technology. Interestingly, all chatbots are based on the success of ChatGPT. In essence, ChatGPT is the father of all chatbots. Copilot was primarily created as an AI assistant for working with Microsoft programs such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so on. Deepseek is an AI from China. Its owner and founder is Liang Wenfeng. Essentially, the Chinese saw that American AI systems were very expensive and thought, why not make our own ChatGPT that would be free and faster? And they did the incredible. With minimal investment, they created their own ChatGPT equivalent and called it Deepseek. That's cool. We approve of that. Perplexity is a chatbot created by Perplexity AI, a company founded in 2022 by former employees of OpenAI, Meta, and Google. It's interesting that all other popular chatbots were created by former employees of large companies. Personally, it reminds me of the story with cars. When Enzo Ferrari wanted to get a job at Alfa Romeo, he was rejected and created his own car. Ferruccio Lamborghini wanted to get a job at Ferrari. He was rejected and created his own car. Perplexity is famous for answering questions and immediately showing sources. This is its main difference from ChatGPT. While ordinary AI just talks, Perplexity proves where the information comes from. Interesting fact: Perplexity does not store a single AI. It can work with different models at once, GPT, Cloude, its own neural networks, and choose the best one for the task. In essence, it is several chatbots in one. Alice is the most popular Russian-language chatbot in Russia from Yandex. The founders of Yandex are Arkady Yuryevich and Ilya Valentinovich. Alice became popular after Yandex released smart speakers with the virtual assistant Alice. The main functions of this smart speaker are playing music, searching the internet, answering questions, and controlling lighting and technology in the home. The main feature of Alice is her natural speech and lively character. She can maintain a dialogue in real-time, joke, get angry, flirt, and even take offense, which makes her more human than most chatbots. Interesting fact: Alice's voice was created based on real sex actresses.